Let's meet Mr. Peter, a small businessman in Texas. Few days ago, he had to go Waxahachie to attend a meeting. He immediately booked a taxi as he prefers taxi service much safer than private car. Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi Service is famous for offering prompt taxi service at affordable fare. Their vehicles are fully air-conditioned, clean and sanitized to ensure passengers' safety. Even their drivers are well-trained and courteous. Not only that, the drivers always follow the shortcut routes so that the passengers can reach their destination on time. Mr. Peter always booked their taxi ride due to their service flexibility, like they are available 24/7 at your doorstep. Are you willing to enjoy such satisfied ride? Book your taxi now by dialing 817-881-6863. For more further details, you can browse through https://bigtexascabs.com/.